In this session, I am going to explain you configuring SAML Single Sign-On (SSO) for Azure AD users. In AEM Forms JEE, login into AEM Admin UI console. Click on Settings. Click on User Management. Click on Domain Management. First, we have to create a valid enterprise domain in the AEM server. Click on New Enterprise Domain. Here ID and name both are mandatory fields. Enter valid domain ID. It should match with your enterprise domain ID value. And enter a reference domain name. It could be anything, preferably meaningful name. Next. Click on Add Authentication button. Choose SAML as provider. When your application app was registered in the Azure, under SAML Settings Certificate section, download the metadata XML file. If you doesn't have Azure access, then get the metadata XML file from the respective team. Click on Choose File button and upload the metadata XML file and click on Import button. You can see the registered application entity ID and SSO details. Next. Click on OK button. Now the last step. Go to Configuration page. Click on SAML Service Provider Settings link. Enter the Service Provider Entity ID and Service Provider Base URL values. Details are available in metadata XML file. Uncheck. Enable authentication prompt for local users. Otherwise, when you hit the application URL in the browser, it will redirect to AEM login screen instead of application home page. Click on Save button. That's all. Configured SAML Single Sign-On (SSO) for Azure AD users. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like the video. Share this video with your friends and colleagues.